How to fix Google Photos not showing all photos on Android 2026. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when Google Photos is not showing all photos on your Android phone. If some of your pictures are missing from your gallery, don't worry. Just follow these simple steps to fix the issue. Let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your Android phone. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to Photo Settings. Next, tap on Backup and make sure the backup option is turned on. If backup is disabled, some photos may not appear in your cloud library. After that, go back and tap on Library, then select Photos on Device. Here you will see different folders like Camera, Screenshots, WhatsApp Images, and others. Open each folder and make sure the backup toggle is enabled for the folders you want to appear in Google Photos. Another important step is to check your Google account. Sometimes photos are synced with a different account. Tap your profile picture and confirm that you are using the correct account. If the photos are still missing, try clearing the app cache. Go to your phone settings, tap Apps, select Google Photos, then open Storage, and tap Clear Cache. You can also update the app from the Google Play Store to make sure you are using the latest version. Finally, close the app and reopen it, or restart your phone to refresh the system. And that's it. These simple steps should help you fix Google Photos not showing all photos on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.